Boy, you must have heard my metal hip.
Yes, Papa.
What kind of instrument you got there?
It's a flute.
That don't look like a flute to me. Let me. Give me that! Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to assemble / take care of a trumpet. This is a tuning slide.
What's a tuning slide?
A tuning slide tunes the instrument, hence the name tuning slide.
How do I tune such instrument?
Well, you're gonna pull it out to a certain length. All right, now we got this, the third valve slide.
What's a third valve slide do?
Basically, you have a third valve, which means
What's a valve, Papa?
a valve is what makes the sound. You gotta push them down to make different keys and different notes.
How does sound work, Papa?
If I were to play a D and I play it without the third valve slide, I would be an idiot because it would sound like trash. But if I pull this out, it sounds like heaven. This is another slide.
What's that slide do, Papa?
That slide is for certain notes, like the third valve slide. Same concept. This is.
What's a this is?
Well, I don't really know what this is. And we'll put it in anyway.
Thanks, Papa.
And this, the mouthpiece.
May I try, Papa?
You'd be getting your germs all over my mouth. That would be really bad.
But Papa,
Well,
we
one
just
day
thought we could have some fun here before you have to go back to the war. Mom already left me, Papa, please.
If I get you V-Bucks, will you stop crying?
Yes, Papa.
That is how you assemble and play a trumpet.
Thanks for joining us for this special preview.